Hello, everyone, and welcome back. There are certain mundane jobs that we often neglect or keep on ignoring, knowing the fact how important they are. Like today, I have to do the cleaning of my refrigerator and arrange my wardrobe and do some decluttering. We often get so involved and emotionally involved in the decluttering process that we ignore the decluttering and we tend to end up in a big piles of clothes or other things that create a lot of a space in our house. Decluttering, it is not just about removing things, but it is a journey towards simplifying a space and reducing a stress and the chaos that is happening in and out our body as well as our nearby things. There are many mundane jobs that we keep on doing on weekly, daily or on monthly basis. But we can't deny the fact that these are the only things or the key that help us to keep our home clean always. Today was the day when I have to do the deep cleaning of my refrigerator. So before I stock up these fresh vegetables, I'll wash them up properly and allow them to dry for some time. And in the meanwhile, I will start the process of cleaning my refrigerator. I love to have fruits, and especially when it's the summer season where we get lots and lots of variety of fruits that we can easily enjoy and relish. I love to fill my fruit basket with lots of fruit. Slowly and gradually, I have introduced lots of fruit in my everyday diet. That had helped me a lot in reducing my PCOD and also helped me to have a healthy lifestyle. Before I totally jump in doing the deep cleaning of my refrigerator, I wanted to start doing my cleaning by taking some care of my indoor plants. In last couple of months, I have been totally ignoring them and not been able to nurture them properly. Since summers are the season where we can have full blossom of flowers, leaves and new baby plants that can easily grow in summers, I was not able to do that. Due to my ignorance, the leaves of my plant have started turning yellow. So now I will be providing them with proper nutrient and fertilizer so that they can start nourishing. Summers are the best time when we can easily propagate as many plants as we can from a simple small cutting. I love to have different varieties of money plant, and especially when I need to propagate them in water, I actually love it. They grow so fast in water that you can't even think of. Initially, when I started off with my journey of planting, I started off doing the propagation of money plant first. It is one of the easiest and the fastest way of generating roots. There are certain chores in a house that we prefer to do it in the end. For me, cleaning of refrigerator was one such task. After doing the cleaning of my entire house, taking a bath, I then switched off my refrigerator and started with the deep cleaning process. As I was aware that the entire cleaning will take 45 to 1 hour, so I wanted to be free from the other chores and then start off with the cleaning. My refrigerator was so dirty that it actually required the cleaning on immediate basis. After removing everything from the fridge, I then remove all the trays, baskets that was there in the refrigerator and wash them properly with a mild detergent. So that by the time I do the cleaning of the refrigerator, they get completely dried up. I generally make a solution of dish liquid, vinegar, some water and then do the cleaning of my refrigerator. With the help of a mild scrub, I gently scrub the entire refrigerator and remove all the dirt from in and out corners of the refrigerator. Once this process is been done, with the help of a lukewarm water, I dip my microfiber cloth and start off the wiping of the entire refrigerator. Once this process is been done, I take another microfiber dry cloth and then wipe up my entire refrigerator surface. And with the help of a same microfiber cloth, I wipe up the entire trays and basket of the refrigerator. And slowly I start placing them back in their respective places. Earlier, I used to place a tissue paper on the tray and place the things. But then I realized that these tissue papers cannot be reused and it's a wastage of paper. Then I started placing these liners now that can be washed and reused every time I do the cleaning. Once everything is been arranged, I then start placing things back in my refrigerator with my leftover food as well as vegetables. For my vegetable basket, I made use of this reusable eco-friendly poly bags and place them below the basket and arrange all the vegetables back. As I talk about the decluttering, my main focus of today was to declutter as well. I remove everything from my cupboard. Since this cupboard contained all my furnishing items, I wanted to sort many of the bed sheet, pillow covers and whatnot and then rearrange them. Many of these items I have been keeping them from so long, but every time I don't make use of them, so today I decided to remove and rearrange my furnishing cupboard. We all often struggle to place the bedsheet in our wardrobe so that they do not take much of our space. We should always keep this in our mind that whenever we are folding a bedsheet, we should always use a very simple and an easy method that we can handle it. Whenever we fold a bedsheet, the one side look even and the other side look uneven. We should always keep the uneven side of a bedsheet on the back side and the even side in the front so that it look absolutely neat and clean. As you can see how I have been doing it. I have been following a simple method of placing an even side in the front and the uneven side in the back. While arranging my table cover, I follow a simple method of pull and push so that my other table covers are not being disturbed. See, once I pull out the tableware, my other tablewares are not being disturbed. This helped me to manage my table covers nicely. In my middle shelf, I keep all my everyday sofa throws. Everyone has their own method of folding clothes, towels, bedsheet. My way of folding is very simple since I don't want to make it complicated and difficult to manage it. Everyone has their own style of folding. I follow a simple method and I love to place them in a basket that allow me to provide a proper place for each and everything. Once I have arranged all these towels in the basket, above that I would be keeping my everyday use sofa throw. Next to it, I have kept a basket which contained my son's school uniform as well as his school sports dress. This is one of my favorite baskets that I got it from Market 99. The best part about this is it has such a beautiful cover that it automatically enhances that area wherever I keep this basket. I generally use this basket to keep all my everyday use cushion covers. I follow the same method as I discussed earlier of folding and keeping the even size in one corner and uneven on the other side. I just simply fold it from both the side and then evenly bring both the side together and then place it back on the basket. As you can see, I have followed the same method of placing the even side on the outer side as well as uneven on inside. Now as you can see, my basket is looking so colorful, absolutely neat, clean and perfect. In the same method, I use it for other basket in which I keep my other cushion covers, as well as I use the same method of keeping my pillow covers. Once everything is been organized in a proper basket, I place them in the cupboard so that they look evenly neat and clean, and it is easy for me to locate as well as look for the things. Now as you can see, my entire cupboard is properly organized with the help of these baskets. For my everyday use towel, I have made use of this fold method in which I properly roll my towels and place this inside this basket. I got this basket during the Diwali gift and I have been using it for quite a long time now. Placing this in one corner helped my son as well as my family members to look for the things easily. In this basket, I keep my laundry items. The topmost shelf contains all my new as well as very rare use towels that we use occasionally or during travel days. Now everything is kept in a proper place and everything is properly organized, which helped me to easily look, and it saved a lot of my time. The lower shelf contains all the miscellaneous items that can be used sometime. Now this is one of the most important time of my entire week when we both spend time with each other. When my husband is not around, we both sit together, have lunch together, watch movies and spend a lot of our time together. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and do share it with your friends and families. Till then, take care.